Oh, welcome lads. Thank you for joining me. We are going to delve into Airtel Africa, which is an up-and-coming telecoms company based in Africa. Now, they are listed on the London Stock Exchange, and for the past 2 years, they have started paying a dividend. We're going to look at that dividend and their stock price and what all they do. So, without further ado, as you can see on the screen here, they are a telecoms company and mobile money service in Africa. Now, they are a leading provider. It says here they have over 128 million customers, but remember that number for later on. They are the second largest telecoms operator with 46 million data customers and 17 quarters of growth. They are based, as you can see by this map, in about a third of Africa. Now, I have done a wee bit of number crunching for you. I know, rather amazing. Nigeria, Niger and Kenya alone is over 300 million people, which the amount that they're encompassing, we'll have a look at their wiki page later. It actually gives a breakdown country by country, which is just fantastic to give you an idea as to maybe where their growth could go, maybe to the moon. Who knows? But we'll have a wee nosy here. So the 14 markets, 346 million unique users expected by 2025. They are the first or second largest operator in at least 13 of the countries that you see here, and they offer 4G. So a big up-and-coming company. Now, jumping into their investor section of their website, you know me lads, that's one of my favourite places to go if you want to have a look from their dividend to annual reports to even the financial calendar, just to see what's going on if it was a company you were interested in. So I'll have it linked in a pinned comment below. Now, as I said, jumping over to the wiki, I don't tend to use the wiki that often, but in this case, it's quite useful as well. So you can see in Chad, it's the number one operator. It's got 1 million customers in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Let's see, Nigeria, it's the third largest operator with 33 million. It's got 68% of the market share in the likes of Niger, and the list goes on. Now, let's jump on over to their stock. They are on the London Stock Market. Ticker symbol AAF for Airtel Africa PLC. Now, they are majority owned by an Indian telecommunications service called Bharti Airtel. Hope that's how you pronounce it. But carrying on, as you can see from their chart, they were only listed in 2019. And they have been seeing quite a decent amount of growth. Will that continue? Well, this video isn't financial advice. You'll have to do your own research on that. But I can ask loads of questions along the way. Dividend yield sits at a 2.84%. We're going to jump off course over to Dividend Max. Now, at the moment, if you had 100 shares, they'd have paid out £1.47, or roughly $2. Their next payment, expected to be paid on the 22nd of July, is also, it seems to have went up about 75%. So let's have a wee look here, see what they've been paying. So on record, as I said, they started in 2019, and they straight away started paying a dividend. Then it lowered actually in 2020, and then increased again in 2021. And let's see, annual dividend rate, as you can see, it did dip into 2021, possibly due to the pandemic. It's hard to tell. Obviously, you'd have to do a bit more research into that. For me, maybe this might be an up-and-coming stock that I might have to look a wee bit deeper into, because Africa is a massive market. Of course, a lot of the telecoms companies in the UK are pretty much established, so it maybe might be good, perhaps, to look into a company with an awful lot of growth potential, especially for dividend growth potential, because that's what I always love looking at. Okay, over to trading 212 for Airtel Africa. As you can see, they're trading at about £1.43 at the moment. Their peak was £1.60. So let's see here. They employ 3,757 employees, are based in London, and of course their sector is services, being an industry of communication services. Market cap's 5 billion and revenue stands at 3.91 with a PE ratio of 10.95. Dividend yield on this is 2.97%. But what is really interesting is their income statement. Look at that growth from 2019 to 2020. Albeit, well, profits did jump in 2022, but it is a massive increase from 3 billion to 5 billion in less than 3 years. So definitely something to look at. Assets are rising, as are liabilities. But one thing, lads, that I love to see is a massive increase in cash flow. Let's see what they paid out in dividends. Always an interesting number to see. 169 million for dividend payments. Not the biggest I've seen on the channel so far, but still, I always love to see an increase in cash flow. So a company I didn't even know existed until today, as I am going through the FTSE 100 and the FTSE 250, and I stumbled across it. I thought, hey, I'm going to make a wee video, let you all see exactly what is what with Airtel Africa. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of this company. And yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one, lads. Bye-bye.